599 pesos buffet sa Quezon City. Sulit nga ba? Tara, samahan niyo ako sa Sitio Verde Buffet Restaurant located at 197 Tuazon Street, Barangay Maharlika, Quezon City. Sitio Verde has a well-kept, cozy ambience with a cool dining area. While the key to the buffet spread is Asian variety and a mix of enticing flavors. The cuisines at Sitio Verde are a combination of freshly cooked dishes, from crispy to savory, sour and sweet, that have delighted every diner's palate. Let's start with crispy favorites like pork tonkatsu, crispy crablets, fried tokwa, lechon kawali, and chicharon bulaklak. Paired well with a delicious sour dip of spiced vinegar infused with chili peppers, onions, and garlic. These solid appetizers are great to nibble on and well balanced with a choice of fresh vegetable salad, macaroni salad, and assorted sushi flavors for a light start. One of the buffet highlights is the DIY corner with chicken Mami and pork siomai, DIY tacos, and spaghetti noodle bar with arrabbiata or carbonara sauce of your choice. The experience gets even better because you can choose your favorite ingredients and sauces to match your taste, and it pairs well with pizza, baked mac, and potato wedges, a perfect treat for the young and old alike. The main viands are a sure winner, with savory dishes naman. Talagang panalo. The buffet offers fried spring rolls, vegetable tempura, honey glazed chicken, beef kare-kare, chop suey, pancit canton, plain grilled roast chicken, sweet and sour pork, minced pork with eggplant, salt and pepper pork, buttered chicken, breaded fish fillet, paired with a corn soup, and complemented with the yang chow fried rice and steamed rice. You can end your meal with pressed fruits like watermelon, cantaloupe, papaya, plus coffee jelly, pandan jelly, assorted cakes, pancakes, and cap it with a refreshing gulaman drink and fruit juices at the dessert and beverage corner. It also highlights two Filipino snacks, ginataang bilo-bilo, and the popular Filipino summer cooler, halo-halo. Diners can do their own mix and match of halo-halo with crushed ice, combining with a variety of ingredients, evaporated milk, sugar syrup, and top with ubi jam for a more delightful taste. For only 599 pesos per person and 479 pesos for senior citizens and PWD, pwede ka na mag-unli food and drinks. Available Monday to Sunday. Lunch is from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and dinner is from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. So is the 599 pesos buffet price sulit? Kung hanap mo ay budget-friendly buffet na maraming choices, definitely Sitio Verde is worth it. A total bang for your buck. The easy on-the-pocket feast at Sitio Verde is well-suited for any occasion. Celebrating small wins or a big gathering of friends and loved ones. They can accommodate up to 120 guests for a private event. Sitio Verde updates and invites birthday celebrants with an enticing birthday deal on their birth month, the 5+1 birthday promo. With the company of 5 pool-paying adults, the birthday celebrant feast for free, making the day extra special. Additionally, graduates in 2026 can also dine free when they avail of the 4+1 weekday achievers feast promo by bringing in 4 pool-paying adults, making their significant milestones memorable. For inquiries, call 0917-833-0079 or 02-7717-1308. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Sulit food trips around Metro Manila. Thank you for watching!